So this AI story crossed 1.3 million views in just 1 month, and these kind of faceless YouTube channels are making a very good amount by making these kind of easy videos, and these videos are really simple to make. So in this video I am going to start a faceless YouTube channel by using AI, and all the AI softwares will be free of cost. So in this way you can make these kind of videos at free of cost. So let's get into the video. So for the channel name, we will use ChatGPT to recommend us the best YouTube channel name about stories channel. So here are the many options. I will go for the imaginary ink. After selecting the YouTube channel name, I will go to the channel customize, and I will go into the basic info and paste my YouTube channel name, which is imaginary ink. I will leave the description as it is. For the branding, for the logo, I will go to the Google directly and will select a best image which suits with the channel name idea. So here I pick up the picture of a old man, and now I will save this image and I will go to the customization and upload this image, and that will be the channel logo. For the banner, I will use the Canva to make a very simple banner. You can make any kind of banner by using your own creativity. So I will make the simple banner here. Okay, so channel customization has done by using AI. Now we will have to select the video ideas for the channel. Video ideas are the most important thing to get a lot of views. I will use the ChatGPT to give us video ideas about this channel niche, and here we will have a lot of video ideas, and I am going to select the Forgotten Diary. I am going to select this topic. To make the script, I will use again ChatGPT to give the script, a very short script about this topic. You can give him a command, hey ChatGPT, write a short story about this topic, and just paste that topic. Now we will have the complete story about this topic, and for the voiceover, for the text to speech, I will use 11 Labs. This is a free AI tool that will convert your text into a very professional speech. I will select the Josh, that's my favorite. You can choose any of them and click on the generate, and your voice will start generating. Okay, so now I have the voiceover and the script. Now I will use Pictory.ai tool to make the video. So come on to the Pictory.ai, sign up here and click edit videos using text. Click on proceed and upload the voiceover. After uploading the voiceover, you have the option to customize the video. Now we will create the we will find an image for the background of the video and also for the thumbnail of the video. Use Google to get a very clicky image. I will write here a boy reading a story in a jungle, and here we will have the lot of options. I am going to select this simple image. It's looking very good, so I will download this image, and here I will came into the visuals, and I will come into my uploads and upload this image. So that will be the background of the video. So our video is ready now. We will click on the download and the video will start downloading. Now we will come to the Canva to design a very beautiful thumbnail for the video. So here I have uploaded the same image, and I will simply write the text, the Forgotten Diary. You can make a very good thumbnail by using your creativity. We will upload this video to our YouTube channel. So that was all for this video. We will meet you in the new video with a new topic. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.